Looking for a seamless way to keep your 4K video signal crystal clear while hiding those messy cables? The Leviton HDMI QuickPort offers a simple, professional solution for high-definition audio and video connections that snap effortlessly into any QuickPort housing or wall plate. Whether you're upgrading your home theater or tidying up your media setup, this connector ensures your signal stays strong without compromising your room's style. I recently switched to Leviton's HDMI QuickPort after struggling with another brand that kept dropping my 4K signal. The difference was night and day. Just by swapping out the old Passthru with Leviton's, I instantly got my 4K picture back. No more frustration, no more interruptions. The connectors are female to female, making installation straightforward and clean, especially when paired with in-wall wiring. Plus, the variety of colors like white, ivory, light almond, and black means you can match your decor effortlessly. It's the kind of quality you expect from a trusted brand that I've relied on for all my electrical and AV needs. If you want a tidy, dependable setup that supports the latest video standards, the Leviton HDMI QuickPort is worth a look. It's perfect for anyone wanting a professional finish without the hassle. For future proofing, I recommend pairing it with an 8-port wall plate to accommodate any additional wiring needs down the road. Ready to upgrade your media connections and reclaim your 4K experience? Try Leviton HDMI QuickPort when you're ready. It's a smart investment in quality and peace of mind.